All right, Coach Slay, Metcalf just weighed in, first freestyle guy to wrestle this week. Just talk about his draw a little bit.
Well, no, he's got the Hungarian first round, and so we'll analyze other guys on his side of the bracket. But before we spend too much time doing that, we're going to make sure that we're prepared for Hungary. And the World Championships or any big tournament, I think it's easy to start thinking about, well, who would I have second round and semis and finals? But you don't even get to wrestle in the quarters, semis, or finals unless you beat the Hungarian first round. So we'll make sure that Metcalf's prepared for him. He's physically prepared, he's mentally prepared, he's spiritually prepared. We'll just make sure that he's technically prepared in regards to of what the Hungarian's going to do. In general, Hungarians, a lot of those guys, they don't take a lot of shots on the legs. They typically come from a Greco background. They dig a lot of underhooks and like to push with their legs. So Metcalf does his thing. Heavy hand fighter, gets on the guy's leg and finishes strong, goes to work, take down to turn, he'll be in great shape.
Can you give some insight on how he's been looking, what your expectations are for him coming into this, how he feels, how he looks, that kind of thing?
I think expectations are something you really have to, manage. They can be good and bad. But I would say that Metcalf, just by being around him, I could tell that he's very confident, not cocky. He's confident in his ability this year. I think he feels like this is his year to go out there and shine and to wrestle his full potential and make an impact on the world. And as a coaching staff, we believe that. But again, none of that matters until you go out there first match against Hungary and get the job done. And just one match at a time is what it's going to take for him to win a world title tomorrow.
How big would it be for the remaining guys, the remaining 7 guys that are wrestling throughout the week, for Metcalf if he comes out here and does what he wants to do?
Well, we all believe Metcalf has the ability to be a world champion tomorrow, and so if he wrestles to his full potential and does that, I think him being a world champion, bring home a medal on day number 1 for our other 7 guys would be great momentum building in to Friday and Saturday. And so we as a coaching staff, as a team, we're excited to start the tournament off for Brent Metcalf because we know that he's going to give every ounce of energy and grit that he has in him tomorrow.
All right. Thanks, Coach.